Welcome to Gumroad. Gumroad is the easiest way to sell your stuff directly to your audience. In this video, we'll look at how to set up and sell your products in just a few minutes. Let's jump right into the Gumroad dashboard. I'm going to add a product and choose a regular product for now. You also have the option to do a subscription or pre-order. Now I'll add a title and price. You could charge a flat fee or enter a plus after the price to let customers pay what they want. Then add your files, either from your computer or your Dropbox account. Click Add to move on to editing, but don't worry, all of this can be updated at any time. This is the product edit page. Clicking Upload a cover allows you to add an image, video, or audio preview. You can also add a description of your product and format it how you'd like. The next tab gives you some more advanced options, like customizing your URL, adding offer codes, and more. Your timeline lets you know where you are in the process. Let's click Preview to make sure everything looks good before publishing. Here you can add the finishing touches to your product page, such as the highlight color and a background image. You can also do a test purchase to go through the entire checkout process without being charged. That's all it takes to add your first product to Gumroad. Now just hit Publish and you're ready to start selling. Gumroad makes it easy to sell your products anywhere. Your product has its own unique URL, which you can send out to your email newsletter or post on social media. You can also embed your products on your own website by just dropping in one line of code. The Gumroad checkout form has been carefully designed to be the simplest and smoothest possible. Once your buyers check out, they can read, watch, or listen to your content right in their browser, by downloading, or in the Gumroad mobile app. When you start getting sales, you can check out your Analytics tab to learn about your buyers. You have access to all of your customers' email addresses and can either export that list or contact them using the Customer tab. Your Balance tab shows you all the details of your payouts. Gumroad's fees are just 5% plus 25 cents per transaction. Everything is included. There are no monthly fees, no hosting fees, no refund fees. We only make money when you do. That's all it takes to get a basic product set up on Gumroad. For more on how to use our other powerful features, check out help.gumroad.com.